What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have two different headphones. These are pretty special, these are different, these are not for everyone. Actually yeah, this one can be used by anybody, but the speciality of these headphones is like these are built for kids. I don't know about you, sometimes I feel like I don't want to let my kid use one of my big headphones. Like I'm worried about the loudness of the sound, whether it's gonna hurt his ear or not. So I've been looking for kids headphones and I always buy products from a lot of different brands and then do some testing, some comparison and then pick the best one. Yeah, in my world best doesn't mean the most expensive. In my world best means the best performance and also very good value for money. Well, these two are from the brand named Iclever. This one is BTH15 and this one is BTH12. BTH15 costs only $45.99 and BTH12 costs only $36.99. These are built for kids, so these actually comes with a limited volume level, and if we want then we can actually switch between kids mode and adult mode. Okay, as usual, we will go through unboxing and then we will go through all the testing process. But before that, there is one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Well, let's start from this big one. This one is BTH15. This one offers 45 hours of playtime and only 10 minutes of charging will offer 6 hours of listening time. So that's really great. Let's do the unboxing and let's check what things we have got inside the box. I really like this packaging. It looks so nice, pretty vibrant. It says magic switch, one-step pairing. So yeah, that should be a very easy process to pair it with any smartphone. Wow, this one also comes with RGB light. They have also printed the specifications, Bluetooth version 5.2. That's a very big plus point because most of the other headphones that I have tested comes with Bluetooth version 5.0. And the dynamic drivers are pretty big, 40mm dynamic drivers. These should offer very good sound quality. Lithium polymer battery, and the battery charging time, it says up to 3 hours, but my personal experience, real life experience is it only takes 150 minutes to get fully charged. Well, let's unwrap it. Inside the box, they have provided a very nice pouch to carry these headphones. So yeah, this is really a nice touch. Well, I really like this. They have color matched the pouch with the headphones. Great. They have provided a nice quality 3.5mm cable. There is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and a user guide. There are a lot of illustrations inside the user guide, so yeah, it's very easy to understand and use. I really like this color. I mean, this is really one of the most vibrant colors for kids. It's not that dazzling, it's not that gorgeous, but it's a bit subtle yet vibrant. Look at this. This one even comes with a very nice RGB lighting. There are three other very important things about headphones is like comfort, build quality and weight. The build quality is very good. In hand, it totally feels like a flagship class headphones, and if you are gonna talk about comfort, I think then I'm gonna give this one 10 out of 10. The cushion on top, cushion attached to the headband is very soft, and even if the headband is so sturdy, it's not like this headphone is gonna press on the ear. It's super comfortable. The cushions, the leather, the pads, everything is so soft and comfortable. Okay, let me test the weight. Wow, it's only 227 grams. That's really feather light. Well, there are a few buttons on the right headphone. The volume rockers, mood button and the RGB button all are located on the right headphone. As I have mentioned earlier, this set of headphones comes with volume limiter. I mean, there is a save volume limit mode, and to activate that, what you have to do is to press both the up and down volume button at the same time. That will activate save volume limiter, and to deactivate, once again, we have to press both the volume up and down button at the same time. That will activate normal mode. When this one is in save volume mode, it won't allow to increase the volume beyond 85 decibels, which is actually a safe limit for all the kids. Another thing I like about this set of headphones is we don't have to press the power on off button to power it on or off. What we can do is unfold it to power it on and fold it to power it off. So it's super easy for kids to use it, and this won't drain the battery so easily. Altogether, for build quality, outlook and appearance, I will give this one 10 out of 10, and for ease of use, I will also give this one 10 out of 10, and definitely this one will get 10 out of 10 for safety limit. That's one of the most important aspect of this set of headphones. But as you know, I always wanna check how good is the performance of a set of headphones. Let's listen to some music.
Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time.
Very good sound quality. I really didn't even expect this much because I thought these are for kids, and maybe sound quality would be like on par, good, better than many other. But really, I didn't even expect that this one would offer premium sound quality. Now let's check the cheaper edition. This one is BTH12. This one costs only $36.99 US. As usual, Iclever have printed some specification on the package, Bluetooth version 5.2. This one also comes with 40mm dynamic drivers, battery is a lithium polymer battery, and actually this one doesn't even take 2 hours to get fully charged. I don't know why they have written up to 3 hours. Inside the box, as usual, there is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and a 3.5mm cable, along with a user manual which actually describes everything clearly. The cushions are really even more soft than the other one, than the BTH15 one. I can feel that this brand Iclever have thought about all sorts of conditions and all sorts of scenarios, so they have tried to deliver the most possible comfort to all the kids who are gonna wear these headphones. This BTH12 also comes with a very good RGB lighting on both the sides, and there are many different RGB modes. On the right side, there are volume rockers, a play pause button, a dedicated RGB button, and a dedicated power on-off button. There is a 3.5mm port, a USB-C port, and the microphone is also located on the right side. To cycle through the modes, I mean 74 decibel, 85 decibel, and 94 decibel, just press the volume up and down button at the same time, and it will cycle through 74 decibel, 85 decibel, and 94 decibel sound mode. These headphones can reproduce premium quality sound, so that's really amazing, and they have managed to make it far more enjoyable and comfortable. So if you're thinking about online learning, e-learning, then yeah, kids will be happy to wear this because it's comfortable and it's fun. There is RGB lighting. Well, we can use these headphones from Iclever, I mean both the BTH15 and BTH12 through Bluetooth, and we can also use the 3.5mm port, and when we are using 3.5mm port, we can get infinite time of battery life. We can share 2 headphones at the same time. I mean the kids can share music or cartoon show or a movie, whatever they're enjoying with their friends through share port, which is really a nice feature. Well, that's all about this BTH15 and BTH12. I'm super satisfied with the performance, and these offers very good value for money. Especially if you're looking for a kid's headphone, then these are one of the best that I can recommend. As usual, I have left 2 links of these products in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check those links. But before you go, if you have liked this video, please take a while, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.